All right, so behind me I have a Ford Raptor. It is wrapped in vinyl wrap. And of course, with the Florida sun, it starts to fade and do its thing. So I've never technically peeled a full car that was vinyl wrapped. So this will be my first. I don't think it'll be that bad. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm sure we'll learn a lot on this project. We let it sit outside for a couple hours before we reach this step. So let's continue. I would definitely say this one we've masked, at least took apart the most out of any project. And it's not because we needed to on our end. We mainly had to do it because we had to remove the vinyl, as you guys saw. I mean, these are just, popped in with a couple clips. I'm gonna spray them on the car because it's easier just to, spray them while they're on the car. So we're also gonna do this. Oh, what is that? We'll get that off first, but we're gonna redo those. We're gonna have a couple black accents. So, yeah, oh, look at this. Let's black that out as well. Of course, we got everything masked under here. The grill, oh, I don't even want to talk about that. That was a struggle. They don't make it easy. Some of this stuff came off pretty easily, like the side mirrors, but a couple other things, man, you had to take this off to get to this, to get to that, and yeah, no thank you. All right, so I'm gonna be using the Wagner Pro 130 on this for about half of the project, and the other half we'll finish it off with our compressor. You guys know, I'm a huge fan of the Wagner, of the airless spray system. You're able just to do things a lot faster than usual, so yeah. So the truck's unmasked, cleaned. We don't normally wash the truck actually whenever we're done spraying a project. For this one, it sat overnight, and I definitely didn't mind cleaning up some of the overspray on the windows and stuff like that. I'm glad that we went with the satin finish on this truck. I mean, so far we've sprayed Nardo Gray, we've sprayed Destroyer Gray, and also we've sprayed Leadfoot. Of the three, Leadfoot is definitely my favorite. But it's like a fine balance. You don't want to go with the matte version because it looks like just primer or like an unfinished project. Satin and gloss is like that happy median. It looks intentional, so I like it. Especially like the fact that he went with the black accents. Aesthetically, it looks good. Like it's a nice looking truck. Black accents, overall. I feel like he went in. It looked like a newspaper weekend. Like it came in black, then we peeled it off, it went white, and now it went gray. So like no real color. So that's all right though. Customer's happy, he liked it. That is all what matters. So I think this was our first Ford Raptor actually. If I recall, this is our first Ford Raptor, and we actually have another one coming in. So check out our few videos coming up after this. You'll see another Ford Raptor that we're doing.